go ahead. So we are here. His body is crooked, so that's fine. I find a line here, and your line is a little bit like that. So that's okay. I'll look for it here. So this finger, can you see, is on that dot. Otherwise, it could be here, could be here. Once it's on that dot, if there is no, if you don't know and if there's no glass there, I'll shoot that dot. And you have to back off because your body, not a gun, there's no gun. Your body through evolution or through God's design has natural protection against this line. So when you feel something coming, you back off. You cannot change that. It's your instinct. If I do this here, you don't care. But when it's going towards here, oh, if I have speed, you jump. Because I go slowly. Yeah. It's your instinct. Most people don't know that. They move, they fight like this. It's useless. Even like here, my finger here is on it. Can you see it's on it? Right? But if it's here, you don't care. You feel this here? We can be in any place here. This is useless. But my finger is on your throat. You see that here? Yeah. So if you put me in a position, see here, right? As you can move. As he moves, I find here. See, as you move here, I find this dot, and it's on there. Right?
So it's not like a line.
No, it is a line. Yeah. Yeah, it's the same as a missile. I find it when I triangulate, find it. Once I fire it, although the airplane is moving, it will continue to follow. Yeah, once I find it, you can't get away from it. It stays on that dot.